You won't believe how a 1 mm mistake delayed a multi-million-dollar project. As detailers, we are trained to be so precise that sometimes the smallest of mistakes can have massive consequences. So in this video, I will show you what just 1 mm can cost you. Yeah, welcome to my channel. Subscribe for more videos like this. If you are new here, welcome to the home of the future of detailing, where we share knowledge and make the detailing world a better place together. Now let's get started. We all know how frustrating it can be when something small like a missing bolt or wrong hole size can cause huge problems. And those problems don't go away if you ignore them. They only get bigger. That is why we are going to see how these tiny mistakes can snowball into big site headaches. So here we have our beautiful model in Tekla ready to be built. But wait, there is a problem. The holes are too big. This may seem harmless, but trust me, it is going to cause chaos. Let's build this structure and see what happens. Here we are at the site, and everything seems to be going well. The first two columns are standing. The third one is being lifted into place. But wait, what is this? We have a huge gap between the column and the beam. What is happening here? Remember the holes from the model? Well, they are causing the problem. Since they are too big, the bolts cannot keep the column and the beam together, and now the whole structure is at risk of collapsing. This is how a small mistake like a wrong hole size can cause big problems on site. But this is not the end of the story because the drama is far from over. The site team has to stop working while they figure out a solution for this problem. In the meantime, the crane is just standing there doing nothing. This means that the progress is halted, and this is costing a lot of money. The client is not happy because the project is delayed and the budget is increasing. Let's say that we fix the problem with the holes. Would that be the end of it? No, definitely not. There is more to come. Because of this delay, the engineer has to change the drawings. The new drawings are sent to the detailers to make the necessary changes. But wait, what is this? The columns have bad camber. What does this mean? It means that the columns are not straight. They are curved. Let's see what happens when we build this. Here we are at the site again, and the columns are being erected. But wait, what is this? The columns are not fitting together properly. They are not straight. The whole structure is twisted. This is because the columns have bad camber. This means that the connections will be weaker and the structure may not be stable. And this is how a small mistake like bad camber can cause big problems on site. But this is not the end of the story, because the drama is far from over. The site team has to fix the columns. They have to work extra hours. They have to redo the connections. This causes more delays and more costs. The client is not happy. The engineer is not happy. The detailer is not happy. But let's say that we fix the columns. Would that be the end of it? No, definitely not. There is more to come. You may think that this is a coincidence, but trust me, this happens all the time. On another project, a wrong hole size caused the whole roof structure to collapse. On another project, bad camber delayed the construction by 2 weeks. So remember, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem, always double-check your work. Always think about the consequences of your actions. Always strive for excellence in your work. Who knows? You may prevent a disaster. This is how a 1 mm mistake can cost you. 1 mm is a small distance. It is almost impossible to notice, but it can cause huge problems. Wrong hole size, bad camber, missing bolt, all of these tiny mistakes can lead to big consequences. They can cause delays, accidents, injuries, even death. Tekla model before the fixes and after the fixes. Take a look at how much work has to be done to fix a small mistake, and this is just a small part of the story. Behind every successful project, there are countless hours of hard work, sweat, and yes, even blood. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new, and most importantly, I hope you stay safe. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your crew, and drop a comment about your own detailing experiences. I'd love to hear your stories. See you in the next one, and remember to build different. Goodbye.